A veggie-friendly umami-bomb. We're making caramelized onion, mushroom, and bell pepper toast. For this one, we'll need a large onion, I'm using yellow, canola oil, red bell pepper, a package of white mushrooms, bread. Something earthy tasting like whole wheat is great here. Cooking spray, black pepper, and some provolone cheese to bring it all home. Start by caramelizing your onions. The name of the game here is slow and steady. Let those sugars out to develop that deep flavor. I'm heating a tablespoon of canola oil over low, and then adding my onion. Then a bit of water to soften everything up with some steam. Cover and cook for 10 minutes, and then cook uncovered for about 7. Give it a gentle stir periodically, and then once these are looking soft and translucent, they'll be full of flavor. Go ahead and position your oven rack about 6 inches from your broiler. Flip your broiler to high, and then in a second skillet, let's get some more canola oil going. Set to medium-high, bring in your bell peppers, and cook for about 3 minutes. Then add your mushrooms. We're gonna soften these guys up, should take about 4 minutes. Take a rimmed baking sheet and 4 slices of bread. Light drizzle of canola oil on both sides for some flavor and crisp, and then we're gonna go for a broil. This is gonna take about 2 minutes, 1 minute on each side. Next, we're ready to assemble. Bring on the caramelized onion, then peppers and mushrooms. And finally, let's get our provolone strips. We've cut these down to 1/2 inch, and then we're gonna take them and lay them across the top. One last trip to the broiler to melt the cheese, and we'll be good to go. In 20 minutes, we put together a full flavored dinner that you can feel good about eating. Make it your own with a dash of some balsamic or adding some greens on the side. In either case, you're gonna have a great dinner on your hands, and we'll see you next time on Fresh Dish Foodie.